Good morning, Abraham. Today is Monday, April 20th, 2020. I'm going to go over what you'll be doing this morning or this afternoon. The first thing you're going to do is go over your assignments for the day. You have social studies with Mr. Lee, so check out his folder. And then you have gym with Mr. Robinson, so remember to go to his folder 11:30 or on. Now, the first thing you're going to do is your morning work. You're going to click the Starfall calendar like you always do, and it will bring you to the calendar. You're going to interact with it. I put the access code if you want to go onto the website later on. Here's the password and username, and you have access to all of Starfall. Then you're going to read Good Morning, the greeting I chose today, and you can either move the box, or if it's easier, you can move the yellow circle over the box. So you choose. You're going to identify the month, the day, and the year. Then, this is something new. You're going to find out what your weather's like. So you're going to click where you live, and it shows you what the weather is. So once you know what the weather is, you're going to go back into your slide, go to slide 8, and you're going to put a circle over the weather, or you can move the box up to the white rectangle. For your writing assignment, you're going to type right into the document by clicking the clipboard. Now remember, you always start your sentence with a capital letter and you end your sentence with a period. So you're going to look. Who do you see? Is it a boy, a girl, a child, an adult? And what is the boy doing? You're going to tell me that in a couple sentences. Then you're going to go to the next slide. And this is just some extra practice. It's a typing website and it's free. You don't have to do it. You could do it anytime. And then this is new. You're going to be completing iReady, which is a reading. It has a reading and a math activity. So your username and your password is your OIS number, and you put in the state. So all you have to do is click it, and it brings you to an easy screen. You put in your OIS number, and New York. You press go, and it will bring you to your reading and your math assignment. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go to your Raz Kids and level up. And then you're done for the day. So I know you're going to do a great job. And I can't wait to see what you do. Okay, bye, Abraham. Have a great day.